Clean the grass today and just generally tidy the garden up. After the last 4 weeks it's been nothing but rain. The ground's been really soggy, but today the rain's off and we're able to cut the garden, cut the grass basically. So that's what I was saying, you know, we get the big concrete pipes like I was saying before, and when you cut the grass, all the stuff you cut for the grass basically stick it inside here and use it for compost, and the trees grow really good. I think I think good. They're only about 2 months old, and already they're growing great. But today they cut this panel and the one next door, but really it was long, so but now nice. The bananas are growing as well. Lots of bananas came. We put a lot of new ones in today because we had a lot of custard apples sitting over. But these are just planted for seeds, by the way. So now we just plant them in the pots. This side's to be done next. We've done half of it, but that's how that's it cut, and that's before it's cut. So it's just basically a mess, eh? But when it's raining, there's nothing much you can do, because things grow so fast. But having a person to help you, because I can't do it now, it's too hot, and my legs are sore. So Swan does it, he can do it, he's younger than me. We pay a set amount of money every day. We give 500 baht and the people can work and they can cut the grass and tidy the place up. Before I had a lot of boys helping. Now there's no so many available now. They didn't want to do that job. I think it'd be great if we get a company in all the different cities that brought Chinese people to work, and then basically they could just go and do people's gardens for a set amount of money, and then the Chinese people seem to want to work more. They need the money, but nice. Okay, so it's looking after the garden, eh?